Sahih Al-Bukhari 3166, narrated Abdullah bin Amr radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi said, whoever killed a person having a treaty with the Muslims shall not smell the smell of paradise, though its smell is perceived from a distance of 40 years. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3167, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. While we were in the mosque, the Prophet ﷺ came out and said, let us go to the Jews. We went out till we reached Baitul Mudaras. He said to them, if you embrace Islam, you will be safe. You should know that the earth belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his apostle, and I went to expel you from this land. So if anyone amongst you owns some property, he is permitted to sell it. Otherwise, you should know that the earth belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his apostle. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3168, narrated Sa'id bin Jubair radiyallahu ta'ala anha, that he heard Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha saying, Thursday, and you know that not what Thursday is. After that, Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha wept till the stones on the ground were soaked with his tears. On that I asked Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha, what is about Thursday? He said, when the condition, i.e. health of Allah's Messenger sallallaho wasallam deteriorated, he said, bring me a bone of scapula so that I may write something for you, after which you will never go astray. The people differed in their opinion, although it was improper to differ in front of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They said, what is wrong with him? Do you think he is delirious? Ask him to understand. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, leave me as I am in a better state than what you are asking me to do. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered them to do three things, saying, turn out all the peasants from the Arabian Peninsula, show respect to all foreign delegates by giving them gifts, as I used to do. The sub-narrator added, the third order was something beneficial, which either Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha did not mention, or he mentioned but I forget. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.